Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by assembling the essentials: a micro display, a matching waveguide or prism lens, a small microcontroller, and a compact battery. Connect the micro display to the controller and confirm power routing. This verifies the signal path before you glue anything. Once done, mount the micro display on a lightweight frame edge so the optics align naturally with your eye. Make sure to secure temporary connections with removable tape so you can adjust alignment. This saves time when you iterate the next steps. Now focus on optics and circuitry. Precisely position the waveguide or prism so the projected image appears at a comfortable virtual distance. Small shifts change focus dramatically. Solder the microcontroller to power management and a Bluetooth or USB link for input. Use heat shrink tubing and strain relief to prevent breaks. Once connected, calibrate brightness and software scaling to correct for distortion. If latency or color shifts appear, tweak refresh rate and color correction in firmware. These adjustments directly impact. Complete the build by fixing components into the frame and adding foam pads where the device contacts skin, ensuring weight is balanced over the bridge and temples. Install a basic UI and test typical tasks. Monitor battery drain as you vary brightness and Bluetooth usage. If the projected image drifts or doubles, check optical alignment first. Tiny angular changes fix most issues. As a final tip, if you see flicker, verify grounding and refresh rate. Poor grounding or mismatched frame rate is usually the culprit.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.